Hi, I'm Norma Strange, and I'm with Residual Income Technologies. I'm going to teach you how to play the residual income game. So we're going to walk you through so you can get a fast track to the instructions. If you have the game, you can go ahead and use this as well to get everybody started. And we're going to get right into it here. So the residual income game is skill practice. It's training that's been infused into a game. So understand that this is a very powerful tool for you. Now you should have your layout, your board set up just like we show here on the screen, where the cards actually have a place to sit on the board and the profession deck sits off to the side, and your money is going to be spread out so that everyone in the game has access to the bank. No one is the banker in this. Everyone just helps each other, and you want to have that spread out along the side of the board so that everybody can make a payday very easily. You're going to pick a colored token to be able to be your little target to move around the board. And right now I need you to pick a profession card. So you're going to have a job that we're going to have you walk through the actual simulation with a profession that you're going to draw out of that profession deck. As you see the profession card, you're going to be able to record everything that you have on that card onto your player card, which is that half sheet of paper that has player card written at the top. You're going to record the profession name so that you can keep that for future use, and you're going to have a certain amount of personal effectiveness points that has been given to you for that particular profession, as well as there's a number of prospects that's also been given. So make sure and put those into the correct areas as you see here on the screen. There's 3 areas of the money that you need to enter on the bottom right hand side of the player card, and that's going to be job salary, expenses, and job income. And you're going to find those on your profession card as well. Those are the simply the amount of money that you would make, a job salary. We've simulated that we pay all your expenses out of that, and that's what the expense total is. And then you have a certain amount of money left over, which is what we call job income. And so go ahead and record everything from your profession card onto your player card, and we recommend that you write in pencil because these things are going to change. You're going to have your business building, and the numbers are going to be changing throughout this demonstration of building your business. Now you'll notice in the center area, you're not going to start out with any customers, just like you would do in the regular business. You would actually have income coming from some other source, and you'd be starting your direct selling business. So you don't have any customers, but you do have a customer value that you need to record. We start with the base value of $75 for a customer, and you need to write that into that white square next to the gray area that says customer value. So make sure and record $75. And then you're going to also start out with no associates. There's no one in your team yet building your business in this simulation. So we have an associate value that we need to record though, and that's $100 per every associate. So go ahead and record $100 in the area to the right of the gray area that says associate value there. Next, we need to take our first payday, and this is the amount of money that's listed there for your job income. And each person has a different job income based on their profession. So everyone needs to take their job income right now from the bank and go ahead and take that cash as your first payday right now. There's an exercise that we do every time that we begin a gameplay, whether you're playing a new game from scratch like we're doing right now, or whether we're doing a perpetual game where you might be using this player card and coming back again and again, continuing to build your business. I do want you to always do this financial goals and cost exercise, because this is a key part of being able to really build goals and see yourself realizing your dreams. So as you notice that we have that area circled here on the screen, the financial goals and cost, I want you to look at that. There's 6 spaces there for you to write down financial goals and costs. And what I would like each of you to do that's on the demonstration right now is to think of your top 3 financial goals and a cost associated with each of those. So for instance, I'm going to give you an example here. Many times we are just putting off things that need to be done. Like for instance, I've got new tires, $430. So again, it doesn't matter what it is that you're writing down as your top 3 financial goals and costs, but I do want them to be the most urgent ones, the most close to you that you are working on right now. If you were to get some extra money, where would you apply that money? And what would it be? So I wrote down here tires, and then what would the amount be to be able to reach that goal? And I've got $430. So make sure you're writing it specifically what it is and the amount that is associated with it. Again, there's another option here that you might think of to help stimulate what you might write here is that many people are looking to take a vacation, so perhaps you want to spend a weekend in New York City, or maybe you just want to change to a hybrid car and help with the environment, or be able to get a new car, and so what would the car payment be? Take a minute right now and write down your top 3 financial goals and a cost associated with that. And when you're done with that, you can go ahead and continue the program forward so that you can move ahead here, but you can hit stop right now so you can take a minute to do that. Next, we've got where we're going to put our tokens on the inside track. As you'll notice here on the screen, I'm showing that there's a circle around that pile of money. There's a word start that points to that. It's over on the inside track near the chance deck of cards. And I want you to put your token there. You're going to be moving around on the inside track, which is the foundation track. That's where we're going to be doing this beginning phase here. And we're going to move in a clockwise fashion. So I've showed you the direction here, as you can see that on the screen.